If you want to add a widget to the home screen on the Motorola Moto G87, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen. And then once you open this section over here, you can go to widgets at the bottom of the screen. Now here we should be able to find the list of apps that allow you to use widgets. Of course, this depends on apps themselves. And if you find the app from which you want to get a widget, you can of course just tap on the app over here to reveal all available widgets that are provided by the app. Now you can, for example, tap on the widget to find the add button, so then you can add it quickly to the home screen, or just press and hold your finger on the widget and then drag and drop it anywhere you want it to be. And there we go. In some cases you can also resize the widget. In some cases the resizing is limited, and in some cases resizing is not possible at all. What you can also do is you can press and hold your finger on an app on the home screen or the app drawer, and if that app has widgets that you can use, then you will find widgets button. So we can tap on the widgets and then you will see only those widgets that are provided by the selected app, and you can do exactly the same thing to add a widget to the home screen. So for example, I'm gonna once again press and hold my finger on the widget, and then I can just drop it anywhere I want to. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.